Hello everyone, my name is Jamonte Perkins, and this is my Project 1 review for visual frameworks for the month of January 2015. Today I'm just going to walk you through my Project 1 and talk about some of the things that I did and some of the problems that I encountered. So here you can see this is my main app.js file, which contains things such as my background color, my main text views, and my buttons, and also my labels. And down here you also can see this is where I call in my second JS file, which is the sport info, which will load into the app. And then here is that second one. I do have two little errors here, missing semicolons, but I've played around and tried to work out and see where they would be placed, but I couldn't figure out. But it doesn't really affect my code from what I can tell. And here's my array that the app will loop through and the functions that'll cause it to loop forward and backwards through it. And if we go up here and run it, I've been running my app in the iPhone 5S Retina display. So you can see my name in Project 1 comes up, and then if I click next, it'll loop through the project all the way to the end and then back to the beginning. And you click next again and it does it all over again. But the problem that I ran into was that if I click previous now, it'll jump forward one, back to the previous, and then it'll start going backwards through my array. And I played around and tried different things, and I just cannot get this previous to start properly. Now I'm going back with previous again, and then notice that when I click next, it'll jump back to the one I was previously on, and then it'll start going forward through my array again. And why it's doing that, I cannot figure out. I've tried plenty of different things. I'm pretty sure I'm overlooking something very small and minor to why it's doing that, but I just cannot figure out for the life of me why it will jump one forward, then go backwards, or then go backwards, then go forward. But it'll work perfectly, straight through, or once you do the jump, then it'll go perfectly backwards. But that has been my main problem with this project. Everything else was fairly straightforward. Just follow the videos through to get everything to where it needed to be, and set everything up like that, and that was fine. But I just cannot figure out why it jumps like that. You can see football, helmets, cleats, pads, jersey, back to the beginning, back, and then if I want to jump, it goes forwards to pads, back to cleats, and then jumps backwards. And then it'll go all the way back through the array. And then I want to go forward again, it'll jump forward one, back to the previous one I was on, and then start going forward again. But other than that, I feel good about my Project 1 and the work I'm going to turn in and everything like that. That is all for this video, and I will keep you guys posted as I continue this course. Thank you.